Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today I was originally gonna do a different video, but that got scrapped. Yeah, I'm here making this video on math. So let's go and let's understand how to multiply numbers that are double digits. So first we'll go and learn how to multiply double digit numbers by single digit numbers. So let's say we have a number like 27. I think this will be easier. Yeah, 27, right? And let's say I need to multiply it by a number like 2. So you may be wondering to yourself, alright, 7 times 2, 14. But then where do I put that 14? Do I put that 14 maybe right after, right before? So I will solve this problem with step-by-step formulas. Okay, so first of all, 7 times 2 would be 14. So you only put what is in the ones digit here. And then whatever is in the hundreds digit or the tens digit or the thousands digit, anything except the ones digit, you place right on top of this 2 right here. This 2, you place the 1 right on top, right? Because it's in any other place digit except a decimal / fraction or the ones place. Then you would just do another simple multiplication step, 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. But wait, we're not done there yet. Then you want to go and add whatever number is on top of there. For example, in this case, it's the number 1. So then you'd simply want to do 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Then you want to plug this in right here. Now let me give you guys another example, but maybe with like different numbers. Something harder than 2. 26 and 7. Right, let's do it together. 6 times 7 is the first step. What do we get after that? 42. What's in the ones place value? It's 2. 2 is in the ones place value. All right, let me just write this 42. Then, what is in any other place value? The 4. So then we put the 4 up top here. Then, now let's multiply the second number. Let's leave the 4 out of this equation for now. Just put this aside and not worry about it for now. Come back to the 4 later. I just kept it on the side. As you guys can see, just keep this in mind. Alright. And then you want to do 2 multiplied by 7, since that's the next 2 numbers. You have 14. Now don't put this in yet. Don't put this in yet. I know you want to, but don't. You're going to get a wrong answer. 14, right? Then we don't want to forget about our little friend here, 4. Bring that all the way here, plus 4 is equal to 18. Now we can put our buddy 18 here as the answer to the question. 182. Now let's do something else. Let's try out, I don't know, maybe multiplying a number such as 28 times 30. Times 30. Alright. So you guys may be thinking, oh, well, this is super hard. I've not learned how to do two digits by 2 digits multiplication, and you're just challenging me way too much. Well, actually, this isn't that hard. So what you gotta do, you can just get rid of the 0 for now, because the 0, it won't really change anything over here in the actual calculation. So you can put your friend 0 on the side. So now, your equation is 28 times 3. So then you can use our previous 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication method. 24, 1's digit goes at the bottom, and then you get rid of this, put this to the side, multiply 3 by 2, 6, bring our amigo over here, add it to the 6, 84. would be our answer. Now, this isn't our answer though. No, because 0 is still holding its place value strong and sturdy. So then all you need to do, quite simply, you already have 84. Just plug in the 0 right here, and your answer is 840. How simple is that? You just plug in the 0 at the end. If there are 2 zeros, you just plug in the other 0 at the end. So as many zeros as there are, you can just cancel them out the equation and put them towards the very end. Now, however, if this is a decimal, let's say it's like 8.42. Let's say that's the answer to another question. And you have 2 zeros that you need that are just outside. Now, you'll be wondering, 4.4200, that doesn't make much sense. It doesn't, because that's not it. For here, what you want to do, you simply want to move the decimal place however many zeros there are. For example, here there are 2 zeros or 2 zeros. So you'd want to move the decimal place to the right 2 times. 1, 2. So then your answer would be 142. How simple is that? And it's also a cool trick, right? Alright, so now let's go on to something a bit more complicated. Let's take 45 times 12. Alright, there's no real trick to this one, unfortunately. But it's not as hard as you may think. So first, let's get rid of the 1 from the equation just for now though, guys. Keep in mind that you still need to remember that this 1 is here. So now let's do the multiplication as we have learned previously in this video. 5 times 2, what is that, guys? That's a 10. So now, you remove our buddy 1. You put our buddy 1 here, because it's not in the 1's place. No, they get to go to the exclusive VIP club right under this line. And right here, boom, the 0 stands its ground once again. 0's a winner. Now, let's multiply 4 times 2. 4 times 2, that is 8. I cannot draw. Nice. Alright, so, and then you just want to add a 1, since you can't forget about poor little 1 just sitting there. And you get 9. Quite simple, right? And then, what you need to do is you don't need to do anything else at the moment. Just add a 0 in the 1's place. Alright? Then, what you can do is you can remove the friend 2 here. 2 has already been used, and now there's not really any reason for 2 to be in this equation anymore. So now, the discarded number will be 2. And then, since you can just simply move the 1 into the 1's place value, 41 times 1, and then you just want to copy all this information, 0, 0, 0. This is quite simple, right? 45, because 45 times 1, 5 times 1, that's 5, 5's right here, right? 1 times 4, that's 4. And all you gotta do is add this up, 14, 14. Your answer is 540, guys. How cool, simple, and easy is that, right? Now let's try this with a bit more complicated numbers. Let's do 21 times 22. Now, or 23 times 22. Let's do the same trick. 2 can go all the way here, outside the equation for now. Bye-bye 2. And then you can quickly multiply, right? 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. There's nothing that you needed to carry over, as it wasn't a double-digit number for these multiplications. Then you just want to make sure to add that 0 before you bring our other friend, the other 2, back in. Then you'd want to get rid of 2. Sadly, poor guy, he's just left alone, right? And then you'd want to shift this guy over to the VIP ticket. Then you simply just get rid of this, and 23 times 2. 23 times 2 is easy, right? Let's just do it on the side to make it a bit more cleaner, because showing your work is always the way in math. 3 times 2, 6. 2 times 2, 4. Am I missing anything? No, because there were no double-digit multiplications. 3 times 2 doesn't lead to anything in tens place. Same thing with 2 times 2. Then just pop 46 back into the VIP exclusive ticket booth. Then add them up just like you would. 6 stays 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So then you just want to place a 0 over here, and similar to what we did in multiplication, just place a 1 right here. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. How clean, simple, and cool is that? So the answer to 23 times 22 would be 506. That's so fast, easy, simple, and it also gets you to show your work so that you understand what you're doing. You're just not leaving out buddy 2 in the dark. You're not leaving anyone out of the VIP group. Everyone's included. So yeah, guys, hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, it's been X7. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.